Right now, Hurricane Beryl, a monster storm, now a Category 5 strength, shattering records as it now approaches Jamaica. We know at least 4 people have died, and locals fear there will be more. Take a look.
Hurricane Beryl strengthening into a Category 5 overnight, hitting maximum sustained winds of 165 miles per hour. The deadly storm is the earliest Cat 5 on record to form in the Atlantic. Meteorologists say the hurricane is feeding off unusually warm ocean waters, water temperatures 2 to 4 degrees above normal.
There's never been a Category 4 hurricane in the Atlantic during June.
Those strong winds and the resulting storm surge claiming at least 1 life in St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
It has left in its wake immense destruction, pain, suffering across our nation at this hour.
Powerful winds ripping the roof off this school, leveling banana crops, taking down power lines and sinking boats.
This is actually the strongest storm that we've had come through St. Vincent in my lifetime. And I hope that I don't have another one.
When it first made landfall Monday as a Cat 4, Beryl decimated parts of Grenada. And on Barbados, power lines were downed and roofs ripped from buildings. Storm surge swallowing this backyard in just moments.
The floods are coming in.
The International Space Station capturing this image of Beryl as it continues moving west through the Caribbean. Beryl is expected to run into some unfavorable conditions that will weaken it, but winds could still reach up to 74 miles per hour and pour up to a foot of rain in Jamaica. Alexis Christoforous, ABC News, New York.